So my Taurus didn't start. The first thing I checked was the fuel rail to ensure you have pressure here. So I got pressure on the fuel line. Next thing I checked was the coil packs to make sure I had spark. So you take this out and you expose the coil end to the chassis and you'll see a spark. Even if it's small, it's fine. You just want to ensure you're getting sparks. And I had both of those, which is when I noticed the RPM gate meter was at 0 when cranking. Look at the RPMs. No movement. No movement on the RPM meter. I had a hell of a time getting it out. What worked for me eventually was I drilled a hole in it right there, stuck a nail in it, and that was able to get me the force to push it out. The next problem I had was the replacement from O'Reilly's. This is a BWD CSS942, whatever, from O'Reilly's. It's actually too thick, so I bought a replacement. I got it on eBay. It's actually a Ford OEM part, and it just slides in, and this gasket is still good, it seals it. And so here we are again. I have a new crankshaft position sensor in. Let's see it crank. Can't really see the RPM meter move when I crank it. Let's look at my OBD2 meter here. So you see when I'm just cranking it, you do see the RPM meter jump a little. And now it works. I guess you can check out the idle here. It's always changing over the years. There we go. And why not just do a walk around, right? I haven't really kept it up, but at least it doesn't have major damage besides rust. It's unfortunate, but it still sounds beautiful. Still gets 12 miles a gallon.